Building physical and mental resilience is a lifelong journey that demands dedication, self-awareness, and a proactive approach to overcoming life's challenges. In this article, we will explore the strategies and practices that help individuals develop resilience, drawing from personal experiences and valuable insights. Resilience is the ability to bounce back from adversity and to withstand life's ups and downs with grace. Physically, this involves maintaining a healthy body and lifestyle, including regular exercise, proper nutrition, and adequate rest. Mental resilience requires emotional intelligence, stress management, and the ability to adapt to change. Individuals who have cultivated resilience often share common practices. They engage in regular physical activities to maintain strength and vitality. They also develop strong support networks, including friends and mentors, who provide encouragement and guidance during challenging times. Mentally, resilient individuals practice self-awareness and self-compassion. They are skilled in reframing negative situations into learning opportunities and problem-solving exercises. These strategies not only build mental resilience but also enhance overall well-being. By sharing personal experiences and insights on building physical and mental resilience, we can inspire and support one another in our quest to face life's challenges with strength and determination.